Right, I'm going to take a look at this today, which is the Vangoa VU703 Concert Ukulele. So Vangoa contacted me again to ask could they send me their latest model ukulele. They have already sent me one, which I thoroughly enjoyed looking at. So yes, today, the VU703, we're going to take a closer look at this. Vangoa, don't ask me or tell me what to say in these videos. This is my own opinion, but I have been sent it for review. So price-wise, round about the $70 mark on Amazon. I am waiting for it to come into stock in the UK as well, but I will pop a link in the description below. So yeah, not the cheapest ukulele that you can buy, not silly money, not very expensive, but wow, what a looker. So specs and features of this uke, it's a concert scale, just under 24 inches in total length. It's described as tiger flame pattern, burly wood colour. It's got an okoume top with this gorgeous pattern on it, okoume sides and an okoume back, and wow, look at the pattern on that. I am assuming laminate in this price range. A nice arched back on it as well, which apart from making it a little bit more comfortable to play, does improve the volume slightly. But there are two really distinctive features I really like about this uke. First of all, it's got a comfort edge. Let me just get around that side so you can see it more, which makes it really nice to play. You know, it's not, when you're playing it up against your arm, too sharp. And also this binding going around the edge and the rosette. I'll just turn it around the back as well for you to see. Okay, it's sort of a pattern to it, but it's really distinctive and makes this ukulele look very nice. Now then, the fingerboard. According to Vangoa, it is technology wood. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I'm guessing some kind of composite wood. It doesn't state what the saddle and bridge are, but I'm guessing the bridge may well be the technology wood. The saddle, I'm guessing, along with the nut, is probably a bone. It is not compensated, and it's got a 35mm nut width. The pin bridge makes it nice and easy to change strings. It has got side markers on there as well as front markers. Closed tuners on the back. They're unbranded, but they do work. And then a nice matching to the okoume tiger flame on the headstock. It's got the Vangoa logo on the headstock, and it does come with 2 strap buttons already installed. So yeah, that's the specs and features. It is a very nice looking ukulele. I gotta say that. I love the tiger flame on it. The binding really looks nice. The back, gorgeous. And of course this comfort edge here. So overall, I gotta say for looks, I'm really impressed. I did mention a moment ago, I've got a similar looking ukulele. It's this one. This is my Camise uke. Again, a okoume with a tiger flame. But I've had this one now over 7 years, and I, daily play back and forth to school. Can you see though? This one looked like this when I got it. So I'm just wondering whether or not the Vangoa is going to age as nicely. But yeah, a really nice looking ukulele. The ukulele does come as a kit. It comes with a little gig bag. It is slightly padded. It's got the shoulder straps on the back and a side handle and a really nice accessory pocket on the front. And like the other Vangoa uke, it also comes with a little pouch. Now then, I haven't actually gone through this, but let's have a quick look. We have got a tuner in there. We have got a capo or a capo in there. I don't know which way do you say it. We have got some more strings, so spare strings. They are carbon strings according to the specs. We got a little booklet on how to play the ukulele. What else have we got? Oh, a nice strap, and of course it's got the 2 strap buttons already installed. Plenty plastic plectrums. Please, please, please don't use these on ukuleles, because apart from the fact you're quite likely to snap strings, they don't sound very nice as well. And a little cleaning cloth to go there, all in a handy little bag. So yeah, a nice range of accessories with the kit. So I've changed camera angles so you can see it a little bit better, but I'm going to be using the condenser mic much closer for the acoustic sound. So that's what the Vangoa VU703 sounds like. It's nice to play, but the action is quite high on this one at the minute. If I just have a quick check, we're looking at, it's over 3 mil at the 12th fret, okay? I'm going 3.25 mil, maybe even 3.5 mil. I am going to be keeping this uke because this is going to go into my workshop stock. So if I need to do a workshop, I've got a few ukuleles to take with me, and I probably will bring the saddle down a little bit, but it's a bit of a fiddly job, so I wasn't going to do that before the initial review. So yeah, apart from the action being a little bit high, the sound of it is pretty good. It's not the quietest ukulele I've played. It's not the loudest. Having said that, though, it has got a really nice sweet tone, and again, with me keeping this, the chances are I may change the strings out at some point as well. But yeah, especially with the comfort edge, very nice to play. So my thoughts on this ukulele, I think it's a great starter beginner ukulele. For the price round about the £60–70 mark, it's not going to be the cheapest uke you can buy, certainly not the most expensive. I do think it's good value. It's a shame the action is a little bit high on this one. That's something I will look at. It's not a difficult job to do, it's just a bit fiddly, and I have done a video on it previously. You just need to take the saddle out and file it down a little bit. I do really like the look of it. It is very nice to play, especially with this comfort edge. And yeah, coming as a kit with a case and the tuner, accessories, etc., I think it's a great starter uke. So thank you, Vangoa, for sending me this to review. Lovely little ukulele. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, hopefully found it useful. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon page and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. If you've got any comments or questions though, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.